Hey guys, welcome back to Reviews and How-Tos. I'm Tyler. Today we'll be checking out this set of torque wrenches. As you can see, I'm doing a brake job here, and for this one I need 80 pounds of torque. So I went ahead and set that on there. So all you do is you just pull this down and then you dial it in to whatever you want. So let's go ahead and double check and make sure I got that since I just moved that around. So we are going to go to 80 on here. All right, so we're at 80 foot-pounds right now. And then all you do to use this, we'll hook it up here and then we'll give it a nice torque. But you also do get two other sizes on here. You got this one here, a medium-sized one, and then you do also get a smaller-sized one. And then in here, you've got a wobbler. You've got like a reducer right here. And then you have a few extensions. You have 1, 2, 3 extensions on there. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and apply some torque on here. Like I said, I already set this for 80, so get it on there and push it. Right there, felt it give away. That's how you know when to stop. Honestly, I prefer these over the digital ones because these just break away and boom, you know you're done. And here we go again. And breaks away and we are good to go. So these three right here, fantastic price. I haven't had any issues with these. I've used all three of these for, I don't know, about 6 months or so now, and they perform really, really well. So if you're looking for a nice, efficient, practical purchase, go ahead and check these ones out.